New furniture! Woo! Sorry, furniture is kind of my thing, so I get really excited about it. Anyways, I cannot thank you enough for choosing Bob's Discount Furniture. We make thousands of deliveries every day. And with furniture being, well, furniture, each delivery has its own unique challenges. So before we begin your delivery, there are a few things I'd like to go over. First off, there must be someone over the age of 18 present during the entire delivery window of 3 hours. Without an adult present, we will not be able to complete your delivery. Having measurements on hand can help save a lot of time. Knowing the dimensions of doorways, hallways, and stairwells would be very beneficial to the delivery team. For the safety of our delivery team, please clear a path to where the furniture is going. Remove anything that could get in the way, including snow, ice, wall hangings, toys, pets, banana peels, etc. If your new furniture is replacing older furniture, please remove the old furniture before our delivery team gets there so our team can place our new furniture exactly where it needs to go. And if we are removing an old mattress, please discuss with the delivery team before they begin. All that's left is to enjoy your new furniture. Thank you from all of us at Bob's Discount Furniture.